children and viewers. In previous videos we discussed about the what is myopia and its correction and what is hypermetropia, its correction. And already we discussed about the what is mean by accommodation. So up to now you didn't see those videos, just go and watch it. So in this video I am going to explain one more defect of eye, that is presbyopia. So already we discussed about the myopia and hypermetropia. Now presbyopia. So here the defect of presbyopia can be formed due to the decrease in accommodation of eye lens and the weakening of ciliary muscles. What is mean by accommodation? The focal length of eye lens can be adjusted itself. That is what we call accommodation. That ability of accommodation should be loses or decreased by the eye lens. Then only the defects are formed. So in this case, presbyopia, the presbyopia can be arised due to the increase in aged people. While age is continuously increases, that means become old. In those people, sometimes they are not able to see the near objects and far objects. So that means the points, near points and far points will be changes. The people who are suffering with the presbyopia, their near point and far point are changes. Due to that, they are unable to see the objects clearly. So here now, presbyopia reasons: gradual weakening of ciliary muscles and accommodation of decrease with aging. So that means here gradual weakening of ciliary muscles. Generally, I told you in previous videos what is that when the object is very long distances, the ciliary muscles gets relaxed. Then the focal length of the eye lens is maximum 2.5 centimeters. When the object is very close to our eye, the ciliary muscles are going to be gets contract. Then the focal length should be decreased 2.27 centimeters. That is the flexibility of eye lens. So the flexibility of eye lens can be possible for the accommodation. If there is no flexibility, the flexibility of the eye lens is reduces. Due to that only presbyopia can form. That presbyopia can be formed because of weakening of ciliary muscles. They become weak. Due to that only the flexibility of eye lens should be reduces. There is some decrease in accommodation. Due to that only the presbyopia defect can be formed. So while some people are suffering with the presbyopia, some of them unable to see the near objects, and some of the people should be unable to see the far objects. That means they are facing some people can face myopia, some people can face hypermetropia, some people can suffer both. That means hypermetropia and myopia both should be takes place. So here, to eliminate or to correct the presbyopia, doctors, when you are visiting the doctors can suggest the combination of lenses, bifocal lenses. That means combination of lenses can be suggested. The people who are suffering with the presbyopia, when they consulted the doctors, the doctor will suggest the combination of lenses. For example, in case of myopia, if the people are suffering with the myopia, how it can be eliminated? The doctors can suggest the biconcave lens. The lens must also biconcave lens. And the people who are suffering with the hypermetropia, then doctors can suggest biconvex lens. And the people, for them people who are suffering with the both myopia and hypermetropia, for them the doctor can suggest the combination of lenses. Here nothing but what is the presbyo is nothing but combination of hypermetropia and myopia. Once the people are suffering with the presbyopia, doctor can suggest the combination of lenses, bifocal lenses. In that lenses, here for example, this is the one lens. In that, the top surface should be concave lens. What's that? Concave lens. And the bottom should be convex lens. Clear? Simply, what is meant by presbyopia? The people are unable to see the objects clearly because of both myopia and hypermetropia, combination of myopia and hypermetropia. And simply this is because of, by increasing the age, the flexibility of eyelid should be reduces and the strength of ciliary muscles also decreases. Due to that, some errors are erased or defects are erased. Due to the weakening of ciliary muscles and due to the increasing age, the flexibility of eyelid should be reduces. Due to these, some defects are formed. Those are called presbyopia. How they can eliminate it? Doctors can suggest the combination of lenses, bifocal lenses. In that, the top one is concave mirror and bottom one is convex mirror. Sorry, convex lens. Lenses. The top one is concave lens and bottom is convex lens. So simply, how we can eliminate the presbyopia means by taking the combination of focal lenses, bifocal lenses. In a lens, combination of lenses, the top is concave and bottom is the convex lens. Like this. This is the concave and this is the convex. For old, if you can observe the lenses of old people, then you can easily identify that which is concave and which is convex. And once you visit the doctor, for them they suggested like 2D glasses or 3D glasses or 1D glasses. Doctor can write 1D. Here there is, what is D? What is meant by D? Here D is the nothing but unit of power. Power of a lens. Power of a lens. D is equals to, simply we are writing 1 by F. Here doctor will suggest the 2D lens or 1D lens like that. So here 2D means what? 2 diopters. Here diopter means what? Unit of power. So what is meant by power of a lens? What is meant by power of a lens? Power of a lens is nothing but the divergence or convergence of light when the light is falling on the lens. Here the power is defined as the ability of convergence or divergence of a light when it is incident on the lens. That means simply it can explain the how much light is converged and how much light should be diverged. That should be called here power of a lens. So simply here D is equals to 1 by F. In textbooks we will say that is here D is nothing but diopter. I am writing here P. P is equals to 1 by F. So if you want to write, this is the correct equation. Power is equals to 1 by F. So power is the reciprocal of focal length. Power is the reciprocal of length. Here 2D. We are taking lens P is equals to what? 2D. Clear? So here P is equals to 1 by F. F is what? Focal length. For example, focal length is 25 centimeters there. Then what, right? P is equals to 1 by 25. Like that. So this is simply about the presbyopia and power. Power is what? The amount of divergence or convergence of a light when it is incident on a iris is called power. Power is denoted by P and is measured in terms of diopters. Power is the diopter is the unit of power, and power can be defined as reciprocal of focal length. P is equals to 1 by F. So this is about children power and presbyopia. I hope you understand. We will meet in the next video with some other interesting topic. Bye. Take care.